There has been some enhancements to the ball nose designer edge. A new alternative designer curve labeled as simple has been added to ball nose end mills, with the old type labeled advanced still being available. So we go to the designer edge, and you've got the advanced, which is the older method which we used to have, where you can have an aggressive cutting edge. And now we've got a simple one as well, which makes it very easy for users to control the angle. So let me say 40 degrees, the tip control angle, and you can see the distance is 1.35. That is the lead, or the distance from the center. So you can see the ball lead, and if you want to make it a much smaller lead, it's very easy to now control it with single one parameter. It's become 0.82, and you can see the edge has actually changed and become a much straighter lead. So it's now become very easy to control the ball lead with this parameter, and the curve type as simple.